Oh my gosh, I look so tired. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rachel and today I'm gonna be doing a room tour, and it's not my like home room, it's my dorm room. And actually I'm ending school next week, so I have to start packing now, and I just wanted to get this in film before I clean up. And my room is a little bit different from the standard dorm room because I'm actually living in a hotel, and it's not like a 5-star hotel, so don't be too excited. It's really small, and unfortunately I got the smallest room, so it's really small, but I mean, I guess it's still better than like the regular rooms. So yeah, let's get it started. So when you walk in, the first thing you'll see is this closet. And then if you open the closet, my roommate and I split this in half, so it cuts down to like here. So you have my Parker jacket, my coat, my leather jacket, and this cardigan I never got to wear even though it's my favorite. And then underneath you will see my shoes. Yes, I didn't think I brought a lot, but I guess I did. And then I have more shoes here. And then these three are mine. So I have like my shirts, my pants, whatever in there. And then I have 2 boxes. So these are for like pajama pants, sweatpants, and the other one's for towels. I don't know, I just have a lot of towels, so yeah, so that's that. And then if you turn, you'll see our bathroom. I guess the nice thing about is that we didn't have to share a bathroom with other people, so that's good. And then here's me. Hello, I'm still wearing my pajamas. And then so we also split this in half, so this is my side. It's super messy, I know. So you have like my skincare products. All of these are skincare. This is for my hair. And then my contact lenses, my brush. And then inside there's just like toilet and like shower. So great. Okay, and then if you turn to the right, you will see my other closet. It seems like I brought a lot of clothes, but I really didn't. So on top, there are like jackets, sweaters, long sweaters, like cardigans, stuff like that. And this side is sides that I didn't get to wear. I brought like dresses, but you know, I never got to wear them. But it's alright. Next fall, I will. And then here we have... this is my laundry, so please don't look at it. And we have just like short sweaters, like shirts, flannels, and stuff like that. And then if you go straight, you will see my bed. And then I have some pictures up of like my family, my friends, my cat, and yeah, and myself. And then to the next I have like a nightstand and a humidifier and my phone. Yup. Okay. And then here are my socks. Like I didn't have space to put my socks, so I had to get another box just for my socks, dedicated to my socks. And then we have a microwave, which is nice because they provided us a microwave, so we can just like microwave stuff. And a fridge. They provide us with fridge, but currently we don't have a lot of stuff, but I mean we still have food. And this trash can, we need to take this out. And then to the top I have like my bags, my hats, my beanies. It's like kind of weird that I have to put it up on top of a trash can, but I mean whatever. So I have my 2 purses and 1 bag. I always carry this with me because this is like kind of like my camera bag. And I have my hat, my beret, my beanie, and then my other beanie. This spot is where I get like my filming done because the lighting is super nice. And if you turn to the left, you will see my desk. They provide us with a desk and a chair, so that's nice. So I have my stand. I got this from Amazon for like 15 bucks and it's really nice. So if you are looking for like affordable stand, definitely get this. Here is the brand. And then I have my vitamin. Get your vitamins, everyone. So I have to eat them in gummies. I can't do pills. And then I have this little decoration from Samak. Actually, this is a gift, and this was in my favorites video, so if you know, you know. And then just like 3 random stuff, and a tissue box, and a calendar, and this cup I got from this like event. I don't know if I ever used this cup, but yeah. And then I have my chips, honey barbecue chips, and it's just like my book, my Bible, just like school stuff, and my laptop with my phone headphones, so I can actually use this, my headphones. And I have drawers here, 3 drawers. I shoved in random stuff and one another drawer. And we have this chair that I got it from school, but I bought this cushion because it's kind of like low, so I need like some booster. And we have like a mini trash can here, so if you need to throw stuff away, we'll do so here. And then to the next, I have all my makeup stored. So my makeup goes to like these 3 boxes. So first, these are just like eyeliner, just like mascara, like beauty blender, stuff like that. And then these are like all my lip products. I love lips, if you haven't noticed. But then like I bought some more when I got here, so it seems more, but. And then here are my perfumes. So let me just show you the perfume I use. I use this fresh one. This smells amazing. Oh my gosh, you guys have to get it. And then I have 2 of the same one. It's from Chloe. And I have the one in smaller version. This smells so feminine. Like, it's probably one of my favorites too. And then I have one Philosophy Amazing Grace. This I put it on when I'm not, just like, it's just like a daily ones to use. And I have my brushes. And I have my eyeshadow palettes right here. So I have 2 Naked palettes, and then 1 Sweet Peach palette, and 1 Yes Please palette from ColourPop. And I have this doll that I got from like this event. He kind of looks very confused, but yeah. And then here are my body butter that I always use, deodorant, and my falsies. Let me just put this back here. And then I have my jewelry stored right here. So I have my rings, earrings, necklaces, earrings, a lot of earrings. And these are all makeup too, like my blush, bronzer, highlighter, eyeshadow. This is the foundation cushion that I try to use, but I just don't like putting products on my face. So the mirror, elastics, and my nail chipper. So yeah, and then I have like 2 of these cabinets for myself. So these I put like my towels in. So these are for my small towels, but the other box was for my big towels. And then these are just like literally like random stuff, like okay, like female hygiene. Oh, I have a rice bowl. Okay, good. And I have my bars, my curling iron, like my medicine, my medication, like my makeup bag, eye drops, slimes that my sister made me, just like random stuff, and like plates, just like random stuff. And then oh, it's not closing. And then here I have like my towels and my heat tech from Uniqlo. And then my gloves. And then this, I actually got online, but like it was too small for me, so I'm just keeping it and I'm gonna give it to my sister. And then here's an amazing view. So that's it for my tour. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!